Hi guys, welcome back to Beach Food, and today we are making some healthy snacks. For our first snack, you will need Triscuit Originals, Cracker Cuts Extra Sharp Cheddar, and some chicken. Okay, so what you're going to do is take a fine cutting knife and you're going to slice your meat in half once and then in half the other way and then in half right there. Okay, and keep doing that till it is all cut. We're going to carefully take our triangle pieces, well, the corners, and we're going to set those aside for the next recipe. Alright, and now it's time to assemble. So we're going to take one Triscuit and we're going to take one of these squares of chicken and then take half of the cheese. You can just bend that. Put it like this diagonally and then put that on top. And then put your other cracker right here. And let's take a bite. Okay, and for our next snack, we are going to use some Triscuits again, some leftover meat, and some cheese. Now, this time we have some options. We have this cheese, and now we are going to assemble these snacks. So we're going to take one cracker, one slice of mozzarella, and one slice of meat, and then we're going to put this cracker on top. Hope you enjoyed these delicious snacks.